Hey guys, this is going to be a super quick one. Another update of the Tamiya Capri, the Ford Capri. Just got done clear coating all the parts. They're cure. I cleared them a day or so ago, but it looks so much better. I touched up the front air dam with some acrylic paint, trying to make it look as good as I can. And then when I cleared over them, I mean, you can still see them, but that is like night and day. It's a lot better than all the cracks in it. The Goodyear's messed up a little bit, but whatever. That don't matter. Now them grills were flat black with where the lights go. I haven't glued that piece in yet. I think I'm going to change mine up a little bit and make it silver. These ain't museum pieces, so I think I'm going to make it look a little bit, have a little more contrast to it. And then I am going to do a little research and see if those are always black, because I think those louvers in the back would look sharp silver. Because then you got the louvers that are going to be in the doors. Those are going to be silver as well. And the louvers on top of that will be black. They get that air out of the wheel wells. I didn't do nothing to this Goodyear back here. It don't look that bad. But now that it's clear coated over and everything's protected after all the wet sanding and all that, I think it turned out pretty good. So I'll probably do one more wet sand. If it wet sands pretty smooth, I'll probably just use my polish, buff it out. Right up here got a little bubbly. I'm sure that's gonna wet sand and buff right out. But my other Ford, that was black. I can't even remember what it was. I think it was a Mustang. That thing I had to sand and buff it like 12 times. So I think this one's not that bad. I'm glad I got this fixed. I'll probably paint the grill, put that headlight in. Not the headlight part, but the housing. And I might do a little airbrushing. I might practice on something else first. Make sure before I do it, it looks right. And then I'll end up doing that. So until next time, guys, I'll talk to you then. Bye.